Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will talk about anchor tags. If you are a tech professional wondering how to create and use automatic anchor tags or custom anchor tags in DocuSign to get signatures on your business related documents, then this video will help you understand everything you need to know about anchor tags and their uses in DocuSign. Let me tell you about the client's requirement. The client wanted us to send the contacts saved under files through DocuSign without choosing any template or adding any merge tags without sending. Now let me give you a brief overview of anchor tag. An anchor tag is a feature that allows text to be used in documents as a placeholder to sign initial names and other tags. Anchor-based tagging in DocuSign will enable you to send documents for signature that do not have a fixed layout or format. While creating or editing a document, type the automatic anchor tag in the appropriate location in the document. Let me show you the demo on creating anchor tags or custom anchor tags and then placing them on DocuMotion forms to be used as contracts. First, prepare a template that you want to use. Now, open the DocuSign and add your template under the File section and click on the Send with DocuSign button to send this template for signature. You need to make sure to add a recipient every time while sending a template and then click on the Send Now button. By this method, you will be able to send your document to the recipient for signature. DocuSign will give you an option to review the document there. You can see a sign tag beside the signature in your document, add the name, title and the country name. Finally, the document has been signed and you need to click on the Finish button to complete the process. Now, moving on to the anchor tags. With the use of anchor tags in DocuSign, you can return the value to Salesforce for any specific record. And whenever any contract needs to be submitted for signature, there is no need to select a template from DocuSign or manually add any field. It can be done quickly with the help of anchor tag feature of DocuSign. If you too are looking for the best cloud-based services to implement a CRM software in your organization or integrate your CRM with other third-party apps, get in touch with the Cloud Analogy team of experts who can help you realize the true potential of your business and automate your CRM operations for the best results. Contact us now.